Hey team, I just want to talk about this autofill feature. This is a different weighted average example. So remember, there's 4 steps. We've already done the first step if we've got the table, but the next step would be to multiply across. So we're using Excel here. This is a little bit like computer programming. So the equals, because we're going to do a calculation. Click on this cell, that's C4, and we're multiplying by this cell, which is D4. I don't have to type C4 and D4. I can just click on the cells and it'll know what I'm talking about. At that point, I'm ready to press enter or return. And you can check it on your calculator. 259 times 34 is 8806. So I need to multiply across, which means every row is going to do the same thing. So this is really where Excel starts to show its strength. You could do something called autofill instead of having to do that process over and over again. There's only 4 of them here, so it's not that big of a deal, but it's nice when I'm doing the same thing to be able to use a feature like autofill. Here's how it works. Click on the cell. If I double click, that shows me the formula. I don't want to see the formula. I just want to click the cell. That means I'm selecting the cell. Next, I'm going to go to the bottom right corner and my cursor is going to turn into, this is on most PCs and Macs. It might be a little different if you're on an iPad or if you're in a Chromebook or something. Bottom right corner, it's going to change. Here it's a little black plus sign. I'm going to click now, hold it down and drag it down, straight down. Doesn't matter if I'm a little bit to the left of the line. If I'm a little bit to the right of the line, same thing, doesn't really matter. I want to just go down here because I'm doing it 3 more times for burritos, tortas, and gorditas. And it does the same thing. C4 times D4. Next one is C5 times D5. Next one is C6 times D6. So Excel figured out that what I wanted was to rewrite that formula, but for another row. And so that's a pretty cool trick that you can use when you're repeating calculations. You'll use that again in Excel 5. All right, that's it. See ya.